Happy video day, guys. Today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a lot of makeup from a new brand for me. This is Kaleidos. I have never tried anything from this brand, but they sent me over the biggest PR package, like so many amazing makeup products. I've got so much eyeshadow here. I've got highlight palettes. I've got chisel palettes and lip glosses. They also put everything inside of this really adorable PR package. Like, this was like so nicely packaged. This thing is like adorable. So they did send me over their brand new collection. So they sent me over the Sashimi City. They also sent me over the Lunar Lavender and a lot of other stuff. So we're gonna go over everything. I'm gonna unbox it all for you guys, but just amazing, beautiful makeup from this brand. I'm gonna be giving you guys my first impression on every single one of these items that I'm gonna try on. So let's go back in time to when I didn't have all this makeup on, and let's get into me trying it on for the very first time with you guys. All right, so my goodness, do we have some goodies to play with. Oh my gosh, they sent me such amazing stuff. I don't even know where to start. I think we're gonna start with the lids, right? Is that what we wanna start? I think I wanna start with the eyeshadows. For eyeshadows, guys, they sent me over so much eyeshadow. It's kind of cool. I literally am very excited right now. I'm gonna have to choose one to play with in this video, but from their new collection. So this is the new one that they launched. They sent me over the Lunar Lavender, and they also sent me over Sashimi City. So these are two different eyeshadow palettes that are part of their new launch, and it has the cutest packaging. Like, honestly, you know, some brands skip over on little details. In the inside it does say Futurism, and you open it, and then inside there's the little palette, and the palette is very beautiful. So this is what the first one looks like. So it looks just like this, and this one is the one that's called Lunar Lavender, and it's a really pretty one. There's two of them here that look like they're pressed glitters, so they're a little bit messy in here, but the rest of them look like they're really pretty mattes. Okay, and then this is what Sashimi City looks like. All of the ones that I got, the glitters all look kind of like, not like they're gonna fall out, but they just look like they're very delicate. So definitely with handling these definitely handle a little bit very sensitive. I can tell, like, just a little bit more and these glitters would have just been popped out. I feel like they're very sensitive palettes. It's probably a very soft shadow. So this is what Sashimi City looks like. And this is what Lunar Lavender looks like. So those are from the new collection, but they also sent over to me this really pretty palette right here. So this is one of their Futurism palettes, and I feel like this was their previous launch, and it looks just like this, and inside of it, look at those colors. Oh my goodness, guys, isn't that so beautiful? It kind of reminds me a lot of like the new Dose of Colors palette that I just picked up. Also some of the Marc Jacobs, also a little bit of that khaki obsession. So I have seen this color story a lot lately, but it's so gorgeous, and oh my goodness, they look pretty insanely beautiful. But I'm not going to use this one today because we want to focus on the new release. And then also they sent me over their Escape Pod, which was from their previous launch as well. So I just want to show you guys what this one looks like. This one is extremely nice quality. Like, look at this packaging. It's super heavy duty. Oh my goodness. Then when you open it up, just check out these colors. Just check that out. This is pretty insane and so vibrant and beautiful, and oh my goodness, that is just absolutely stunning. Got a really nice selection of eyeshadows to play with today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on the new collection, and I'm gonna jump into the Sashimi City, which is very me. It's so gorgeous, and I just wanna play with this guy on the lids. So let's zoom in and let's do an eye look, and let's see the quality of these shadows. So I'm first gonna jump into this shade right here, a light mustardy shade. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid. Just wanna kind of like lay this one down as a base color just to kind of get like an idea. And it's a really pretty, almost like mustardy brown tone. This one here is like one of those colors that I like really love. So I kind of just wanna put that on the top part of the lid. Ooh, did you see that pigment on that? Wow. That's super pigmented. Wow. Very nice quality pigment. You know, I think I'm gonna use a different mirror. I'm the type that doesn't love to use like very skinny mirrors. I like big mirrors to put on makeup. You know, I'd rather put the palette flat and just use the shadow like this so I can really see better. Yeah, it's a lot better. So it's funny because this second color, this more peachy pink color, it really reminds me of like sushi. I don't know, what kind of sushi do I eat? I guess I like shrimp stuff mostly. Okay, so I'm fake. I'm not a real sushi eater. I eat the fake sushi, okay? Everything I eat is cooked. But I call it sushi because when you order it on the menu, it's sushi. These two end tones right here, they kind of look very similar to me. I'm gonna go into the deeper one just to put it on my outer edge, but they look very close in tone. But that's really nice. But it has a very good pigment so far. I like this reddish brown color. Very nice, deep reddish brown. Very good pigment. It's applying really nice and blending good. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get that other tone because I kind of just want to see. Oh my god, they always cut the grass when I'm doing tutorials. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna do this color right here that's a little bit lighter of a brown. I just want to kind of see the color difference. There's a difference. It's very slight. I personally probably would have preferred a different color in here than this one. At least tone-wise, this is very, very pretty. And I think it did a very, very good job. I want to play with one of these glittery shades. I have a feeling that these are probably not eye safe. Let me just check back here because I bet you they're not. So there's a few shades in here that are actually not eye safe, which that could be that it's a pigment or that could be that it has glitter in it. But there's actually a few of them. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So those are the ones I think are not eye safe. So there's 4 of them. I usually don't do very good with pigments, so I'm not 100% sure if this one will work on my eyes, but most likely the reason they're not eye safe is because they are pigments, and of course probably these are because they have like glitter in them. I'm actually going to use this one right here that's crumbly, and that's because this glitter formula is just so fine, and I'm just going to put it right here in the center and just kind of add a little bit of prettiness. That's a really, really pretty shade. Wow, that's pretty. That is, you guys, that's insanely beautiful though. Like that almost looks like a painting. The color is kind of insane. Just saying. Kind of insane. So actually guys, this is actually really pigmented. It did a really, really pretty job. I love the way it looks on the lids. That metallic-y glittery formula is something very, very, very unique. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and then we're gonna jump into a few more items from here because there is a few more to look at. I'm super excited. So there we go. Those are the eyes. I have to say, I really like the quality of these shadows. They're really, 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 really good. Very pigmented. That could have to do with the fact that maybe some of them are actual pigments, but they blended really nice for being pigments, to be honest. I want to check on this other palette to see how many of the shades are not eye safe. So there's also 4 shades in this palette that are not intended for immediate eye use, just so you guys know. So now let's jump into these palettes. So these are supposed to be contour palettes. So they did send me all of them over. I obviously can't use them all because they're for different skin tones. So you guys know that that means that this will be included in a giveaway. This right here is one of the contour palettes. So it looks just like this. So that's the colors of the deepest one. This is warm, medium, cool, and light. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the medium one. So it does say that this one here is to fill, to contour, and to chisel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use actually this color right here to contour because that looks like a perfect tone for me, like that I usually like to use to contour. And I'm just going to slightly use this to contour. So the medium is doing a pretty nice job. Now, I don't tend to contour too much, so I'm just going to do a very slight contour like I would do. That's a pretty nice nose contour color. That's another really pretty nice product. Okay. Also, they sent over these highlights. Oh my god, they look so insane. This looks right up my alley. Look at that color. This color right here is called Space Age. my God, this packaging is insanely good. And it is, ooh, that's like a beam me up to space color. Look at that shade. Woo! I'm gonna go with Ray Ryder. This looks very promising and I'm very impressed by this packaging, guys. This is packaged so well. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I mean, hello. I mean, this is beautiful though. Like, it doesn't even look like it has too much glitter and it's very, very, very fine. And just check. Holy cannolis. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Wow, wow. Okay, I'm impressed. This is a very, very good quality highlighter. Very, very good. Wow, okay. And like I said, this other one, it looks like it's gonna be super promising too. And maybe I'll include it in a giveaway for you guys, who knows? But we've got some lipsticks as well that they sent me over. So we've got a lot of stuff to play with here. There's this really fun glittery liquid lip that they sent that just looks insane. I don't even know, is this a liquid lip? This is a new gloss. This is a gloss. We've got these two lip products to play with. We've got a liquid lip and we've got a lucid lip, which looks like it's a gloss. And this one is also a gloss. All right, so this liquid lip is actually really nice. It's matte, but it doesn't feel super, super drying. So I kind of like that a lot. It feels really nice. It's a pretty color and I like it. I really do. So yeah, guys, so that's it. And I think that this was very successful. I really, really do. I really like a lot of the products that I tried on in this video. So I'm pretty impressed, honestly. A lot of these products are available right now on their website. So basically that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.